Hey guys, let's see how to put your contact information on iPhone lock screen. So if you lose your phone, somebody can call you. You just need a widget for that. So you just need to come here on search and look for any text. If you don't have this widget, you just need to come here to the App Store and look for any text. That's the one. Just type it there and find this one. Here's the icon and here's the information. Okay. So get this one, open it up, and you're gonna get the first widget here and you're gonna put the information. So here I'm gonna put something like call and then dash and your number. I wanna put here any number just to show how it works basically. And I put dashes here so I have this in a single line. Okay, so I'm good to go now. I just come back here. I see that's available there. And then when I come back here to the home screen, I just lock my phone. There we go. When the phone locked, you just press and hold here. There we go. And then you customize it. Okay. And then here you're gonna see an option for lock screen. And you can add a new widget here. Just type on it to add a new one. And look for any text. And here you're gonna see the option here for the any text that you just created. It goes there. You can just close here and hit done. Then you're good to go, okay? Then when you just lock your phone again, you see the information is just right here and somebody that finds your phone can call you. So pretty simple. Just do this, and that's the way you can put your contact information on iPhone lock screen. I hope this helps. Please subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up in your comments, and I see you in the next one.